Pulled up, looks like I pulled up to a castle. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again for another Old Fashioned Friday, and today we're coming to you from all the way from Virginia Beach, and today we're at the Cavalier Hotel inside one of their cocktail lounges that's called the Raleigh Room. Saw this place on Yelp, saw the super fancy furniture, saw some like really good photos of cocktails on Yelp, had really good reviews. Was like, I want to check it out. Pulled up, looks like I pulled up to a castle. It's like, literally looks like an entire castle. One of the fanciest places I've ever been to for an old-fashioned Friday. There's all kinds of crazy art on the wall, as you can see. Again, awesome, amazing furniture and decor in the Raleigh Room. And today, I'm doing a smoked old-fashioned. This is what they have on their menu, a smoked old-fashioned. I asked them if that was the best old-fashioned they had. They said it was, so I said, cool, let's do it. So they did a little bit of a unique smoke. Typically, they'll smoke the wood, put the glass on, then pour the drink in. This way, they made the drink, put the wood on top, and then smoked it. It actually looked a lot cooler because the smoke was at the top of the glass and it was just like, you know what I mean? So, again, I'm a big sucker for that, so that's always a plus. You guys know how this works. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. We'll jump right into appearance first. Nice sized glass, Luxardo cherry, orange peel, all clutch, only thing missing, no single cube. I did ask if they had single cubes. Apparently, they get them delivered on Wednesdays. Today is Wednesday, but the guy had not arrived yet. Terrible timing, worst possible timing ever. If this has a single cube, they're looking at a 2.9, easy. Without the single cube, I mean, it crushes the score a good amount. I'll go 2-3 off appearance first sip. Ooh. That was unbelievably refreshing and quite possibly one of the best first sips I've ever had. Again, single cube, this would smack 100%. Super smooth. You taste a little bit of the smokiness, not too much. I'm not a giant fan of it tasting like a cigar, so great first sip. I'm gonna go 2.8. As we go into the overall taste, I'll rate the ambiance as I drink it. Like I said, when you pulled up, looks like you're pulling up to a castle. Somebody's like, it doesn't look like Virginia Beach at all. Virginia Beach is, I'm not saying it's not nice, but it's not this fancy. So definitely unique for here and pretty much any place in Virginia because it's that fancy and that nice. Gonna go full 1 for overall ambiance of not only the Raleigh Room, but the entire property as well. I wish I could go higher than that because that's literally how nice it is in here. And as far as overall taste is concerned, no single cube. You gotta chug it down, or else it'll get watered down. Overall, it's good. Again, this kind of ice melts insanely fast, so it's gonna affect the overall taste. We'll go 2.5 overall. So what I think I said 2.2, 2.5. So that's 4.7, 2.8. I said. Right here at the Raleigh Room at the Cavalier Hotel, Virginia Beach. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.